With more than 2 decades worth of studies done in rodents, they've discovered that hundreds of brain transcripts change their expression in relation to the sleep-wake cycle. They consistently reveal upregulation of myelin-related genes during sleep, suggesting that sleep represents a window of opportunity during which remyelination can happen. I know most of us with MS are constantly on the lookout for things that we can do to be proactive about restoring our lost myelin. Things like diet, weightlifting, as well as things like supplements and consuming iodine. Pretty much everything my channel centers around. But for remyelination, I want to say it again. Sleep has a pivotal and enormous power to create myelin. Hey, it's Steve. Skinner 112 tells me I need deep sleep. Even at 300 milligrams of melatonin a night, I wake up. There's a problem though. It's not like we can just take naps during the day to offset what we lose at night. No. We need to promote remyelination and oligodendrocyte precursor proliferation. And there is no better way to do it than sleep. Good, high quality, long lasting, deep, wonderful, beautiful, amazing sleep. It holds the key. At the beginning of this video, I referenced those hundreds of brain transcripts. Well, one of them is called tumor necrosis factor, alpha. It's a pro-inflammatory cytokine. Well, don't worry. In this case, it's not bad. Tumor necrosis factor alpha. Wait, I don't like that. That's way too long. Let's just shorten it to TNF alpha. It's pivotal in sleep regulation. We're all used to that when we have those fantastic night's sleep. When we wake up in the morning, our MS symptoms, well, they feel just less right. Times are changing. So I was browsing through my footage the other day, talking about sleep. It was a different subject, so doesn't perfectly correlate, but I think it fits pretty well. So I am noticing the small things, the very small things. For instance, waking up at night. I don't think I've woken up at night for the past week to go to the bathroom. You wouldn't think that it would make that much of a difference, but it does. But it's those small things, those very small things that changes everything about your sleep. There is one little tidbit of information I came across recently. Expression of TNF alpha in the brain can be influenced by sleep loss. Particularly REM loss, which is a huge problem. It's the time when myelin formation is highest, so if we lose it, then we're losing out on myelin creation. Skinner 112. I want to tell you, just keep at it. Stick to the 5 essential elements. After reading your comment a few times, I started thinking, I think 300 milligrams a night might be working against you. In my experience, I actually find it better when I take less melatonin. I know it sounds backwards because we're so used to people saying, oh, melatonin helps you sleep at night. But there's a certain give and take to it. I realized when I cut down drastically, my sleep quality started to decline. I think you're walking the same path I did. So, I think you're on the right track. In my experience, it will eventually turn around. Everyone, since you're all watching me and you're interested in what I'm saying, why don't you leave me a comment down? I would love to hear and start chatting. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.